what's going on, guys? This is Ryan with Texsource with a few screen making tips we're going to show you guys, so let's get to it.
Before coating any screen that's been reclaimed, you'll want to remove any ink stains with the de-hazer. Wet the screen down and spray some Easiway 701 on the print side. Make sure to get around the edges. Now use the scrubby pad to scrub over the image area and around the perimeter. Flip it over and spray some 701 on the squeegee side as well. Now give it a good scrub. Let it sit for 30 seconds and come back with the scrub pad. Now power spray from top to bottom. Using a flood nozzle, gently spray any excess chemicals that might have splashed up on the print and squeegee side of the screen. .701 removes the haze and degreases all in one step, leaving you with the screen ready to dry and coat with emulsion. To coat a screen, fill your scoop coater with emulsion. Hold or clamp your screen to a wall mount, print side out. Tilt the scoop coater until the bead of emulsion contacts the mesh. Move the scoop coater vertically while maintaining contact with the screen. Flip the screen 180 degrees both ways and repeat the process on the squeegee side of the screen. Always place your screen print side down horizontally in a drying rack or cabinet. When the screens are dry, you can attach your film positives and place inside your exposure unit. Once a good vacuum is achieved, expose your screen the proper time. To develop your screen, wet down both sides of the screen. Spray water directly over the image area on the print side of the screen until the image is washed out completely. When it's dry, you're ready to set up and print.